Signs and symptoms of a bad fuel injector and its solution. There are several reasons you may not get the performance you want out of your engine. One you may not have considered is a damaged or worn-out fuel injector. It's a massively common issue, and I often talk to people about it. Fuel injectors are one of the great advances in automotive technological history. They are far more efficient than the old carburetor system, so efficient most drivers don't even think about them at all, even though they are vital to your car's regular operation. When you have engine problems, you may not consider your fuel injectors could be involved. However, fuel injection system problems are more common than you may think, and they can dramatically impact your engine's performance. How do you know if you have fuel injector problems? Why do they occur, and what can you do if they happen? I will answer these questions in detail as we continue with the video. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We bring to you interesting topics about the automobile, and we provide a lucid explanation of topics that relates to the car's important components. I share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your car. And today, I will be talking about an important and interesting topic, signs and symptoms of a bad fuel injector and its solution. Basically, the fuel injector is a pressurized valve that pushes fuel into the engine so your car can run. Since they're used often, over time, they tend to collect grime, dirt, and soot, which can lead to an air-fuel mixture imbalance in your engine. Basically, less gas is able to get through to the engine, or gas is pushed through unevenly, which leads to performance problems and reduced fuel efficiency. It is pertinent to mention the reasons your fuel injector gets bad, and some of the reasons are: 1. Poor fuel quality. The main reason your fuel injectors become clogged and unable to do their job is the quality of your fuel. If your fuel has too much excess debris or impurities, those byproducts can get into your fuel injectors, making it harder for them to work. This is especially true in regions that alternate between summer and winter gas. 2. Heat soak. Heat soak is a phenomenon where fuel residue evaporates in the nozzles of the injectors after you shut off the engine. The residue takes the form of waxy olefins, which sit in the ports because the engine is idle, so nothing is flowing through to wash them away. Eventually, the heat causes these olefins to harden into clogging deposits. Your gasoline has detergents in it to get rid of these deposits before they build up. But if you are taking a lot of short trips, your engine may not have the opportunity to wash the olefins out. If this is the case, the fuel injectors will clog up and fail. 3. Solenoid failure. One of the functions of solenoids is to create a magnetic field to pull up the fuel injector pintle. If there is a short or an open in the injector solenoid, the injector could fail. 4. Engine blow-by. Blow-by is fuel and oil residue that blows past the pistons into the crankshaft during compression. Your car's PVC system should pull the blow-by out, but if the air filter does not capture it or if the PCV system is not working correctly, that sludge could end up clogging up your fuel injectors. 5. Broken or leaking fuel injector. It could just be the fuel injector itself is cracked or has sprung a leak. If there is a fault in the integrity of the fuel injector, it will not deliver the proper mix of air and fuel to the engine and performance will suffer. A bad ECU is another fuel injector problem not directly from the injector. The ECU is the engine control unit that runs your combustion system. If there is a problem with your ECU, it may not be able to tell the fuel injectors how to properly mix and deliver the air and fuel to the combustion chambers. Therefore, you may get bad performance even if the fuel injectors are fully intact. If your car has an ECU and you get a check engine light along with common fuel injector problems such as misfire or stalling, check the error code to see if you may have an ECU problem. Symptoms of a bad or dirty fuel injector include: 1. The engine misfires. Dirty fuel injectors may cause your vehicle's engine to misfire. This problem makes the motor feel as though it is sputtering, sending vibrations through the car. Such misfires can happen when a fuel injector problem mixes up the delicate balance between fuel and air entering the engine. 2. Idling gets rough. Do your vehicle sputter and shake when you're at a stop sign or sitting in traffic? It's not channeling a bucking bronco. It's telling you that there may be dirty fuel injectors at work. Typically, rough idling is characterized by varying revolutions per minute, even when you have your foot off the pedal. Often, rough idling is accompanied by engine stalling, a sudden decrease in RPMs, and engine noise that feels like running out of gas on a hill. 3. Your gas mileage tanks. Well-performing fuel injectors help your vehicle get the kind of gas mileage that manufacturers promote. While a variety of engine issues can cause you to stop by your local gas station more often, lousy gas mileage could be a signal that something is wrong with your fuel injectors. 4. The RPM needle starts to dance. Typically, you control what your car's dash gauges do. When you drive a lot, the gas needle moves from F to E. When you accelerate, the speedometer moves from 0 to 60. What do dirty fuel injectors do? They can cause the needle on the tachometer, the gauge that displays the vehicle's RPM, to move unpredictably. You may notice the needle moves unprompted, indicating changes in RPM when your car isn't switching gears. 5. Your car won't start. Fuel injectors deliver gas to the appropriate cylinders, and when it isn't getting done, your engine won't receive its crucial combination of air and fuel. When the ratio of air and fuel in your engine is off, your motor may not generate the combustion it needs to operate. In conclusion, some of the benefits of using fuel-injected engines include that 1. It increases throttle response and provides the biker with appropriate needed power at all RPMs. 2. Cold start problems are almost eliminated. 3. It has better engine life. 4. It results in enhanced engine efficiency. 5. It also offers better fuel efficiency. 6. It is more efficient burning of fuel, resulting in a cleaner environment. Thanks for watching this interesting and educative video. I am sure you got value. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. See you next time.